unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
To spawn a T-Rex in Ark, you'll need to use the game's console commands. For PC, press Tab to open the console. On Xbox, press LB/RB X and Y simultaneously. On PlayStation, press L1/R1 triangle and square. Once open, type the command summon Rex_character_BP_C for a wild T-Rex, or admin cheat spawn Dino, blueprint, game, primal earth, dinos, Rex_character_BP, Rex_character_BP, 500 150 to spawn a tamed T-Rex at level 150. Always ensure you have the appropriate permissions on servers before using admin commands.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.